Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking of diving into embroidery, growing your business, or just upgrading from a single needle machine that's been driving you nuts, this video is for you. Today we're talking about the top 5 best commercial embroidery machines you can actually get your hands on. Ones that can handle hats, hoodies, jackets, jeans, bags, even leather, without needing a second mortgage. Real reviews, real feedback, no nonsense. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with a machine that's been getting a ton of love lately, BAI The Mirror. This beast is one of the top picks for folks starting out and for those already running a small shop. It's got 15 needles, runs up to 1,200 stitches per minute, and it handles hats like a pro, which is a big deal since hat embroidery is where a lot of people struggle. What makes this machine really stand out is the SmartStitch i5 computer system. It walks you through every step, from design placement to thread changes, and makes the learning curve much less scary. A lot of buyers mention how fast it is, how great the support is, and how it comes with all the extras, so you're not spending more right after unboxing. If you're serious about hats, jackets, bags, and custom patches, this one is a solid investment. Next up, the SmartStitch S1501. This one's got a cult following. It's a 15-needle single-head machine with a crazy big 14 by 20-inch embroidery area. I mean, you could embroider an entire hoodie front in one go. People love how simple it is to thread thanks to the large touchscreen, and it even has laser positioning to help you line things up just right. But here's the thing that really sells it: the community. Buyers get added to a private Facebook group with trainers, experienced users, and tech support who actually reply. You get one-on-one help via video calls, messages, even walkthrough videos just for you. If you're nervous about setup or making mistakes, this is the most beginner-friendly commercial machine out there with serious horsepower to grow with you. Now, if you're a bit tight on space but still want something powerful, check out the SmartStitch S1201. It's basically the little sibling of the S1501. Only 12 needles, a bit smaller embroidery area. But it's still a commercial-grade machine that fits on a table and can crank out hats, shirts, denim, even shoes. People say it runs smooth, doesn't sound like a jet engine, and is perfect for home businesses. The training is just as good. You get personal support chats, live calls, and videos to guide you. One thing users mention a lot is tension. It takes some trial and error to get it dialed in just right, but once you do, the machine produces beautiful work consistently. And yes, it also comes with cap attachments and a stand, so you're ready to go out of the box. All right, now we're stepping it up. The Ricoma MT1502, a 2-head, 15-needle monster built for real production. If you're cranking out orders and need volume, this is the kind of machine that makes sense. Each head can run the same design side by side, so you're doubling your output. But a heads up, this one's not a casual purchase. It's heavy, takes real space, and comes with a learning curve. But buyers love how it's built like a tank, and Ricoma's customer support is solid. One thing people wish they knew sooner is that you can't run 2 completely different designs at the same time. Both heads do the same thing. Also, if one needle breaks, both heads stop. But for team uniforms, bulk hats, or high-volume shops, this is a workhorse. Just know what you're getting into and plan for some trial and error with hats and digitizing. And rounding out the list, the BAI Vision 2 heads. If you like the Mirror but want even more firepower, this one's for you. It's got 2 heads, same 15-needle setup, and hits 1,200 stitches per minute. It's fast, smooth, and reliable. And the hardware feels top tier. Users say it runs super quiet for its size, even when doing thick 3D hat designs. The real gem here is the SmartStitch Cloud platform. You can send designs wirelessly, track costs, and keep multiple machines in sync. One big plus: their customer service is shockingly hands-on. You get setup calls, troubleshooting chats, and help with digitizing questions. A few people wish there were more detailed parts diagrams, especially for self-repair, but BAI does send spare parts and offers remote tech help quickly. So whether you're just getting started or ready to grow your embroidery hustle into a full-on shop, there's a machine on this list for you. The BAI Mirror and S1501 are awesome for starting strong. The S1201 is great for saving space without cutting corners. And if you're ready for real volume, Ricoma and the BAI Vision will get you there. Just remember, all these machines have a learning curve. Don't expect perfection on day one. But if you're willing to learn, ask questions, and run a few test stitches, these machines can seriously change your game. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment if you've used any of these or want to share your experience. I read every single one. See you in the next one, and happy stitching!